In this video, I will show you how to deposit and withdraw in expert option. In order to deposit, let's head over and click onto this finances option. It will automatically show you the buttons to withdraw or deposit your money. So for this case, just choose either one. If you want to deposit, click onto this one, and in here you should be able to see in here your deposit options. So from in there, you can just deposit through these methods. So do take note that these methods are dependent on the country that you have. Click onto that particular deposit option that you want, enter in here the money or amount, and then after that, click onto this pay. Now, if you want to withdraw, head over and then just head back, click onto this finances and click on withdraw. From in there, it will show you in here this withdrawal. So for this one, just click in here the withdrawal method, then input right here the amount, enter your actual details and click onto this request.